Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 550 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Coinbase has registered 114.9 million shares for its upcoming NASDAQ listing. Grayscale Investments has launched 5 new digital currency trusts. EBON International has completed a 6nm ASIC chip, and Neptune Digital Assets has posted a record quarterly income. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, let's get into the show. So, US-based crypto exchange giant Coinbase has registered 114,850,769 shares of Class A common stock with a proposed maximum aggregate offering price of $943,218,155. This is according to an S-1 filing published just today. Coinbase will be listed on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the symbol COIN, C-O-I-N, and though no specific date was given in the filing, it is expected to be listed within the next few weeks. An article from Bloomberg earlier this month, citing people familiar with the matter, roughly valued Coinbase at close to $100 billion. Digital currency asset manager Grayscale Investments today announced the launch of 5 new digital currency investment trusts. They are as follows: Basic Attention Token Trust, Chainlink Trust, Decentraland Trust, Filecoin Trust, and Live Peer Trust. This brings Grayscale's total number of investment products to 14, according to the press release. Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein said, quote, "Digital currencies have reached an inflection point. Investor demand has never been higher, and every day we're seeing new entrants to what has surely become a bona fide asset class. Grayscale has long been the leader in creating novel pathways for investors to access the opportunities that digital currencies may offer, and this announcement carries on that tradition. We look forward to working with our global investor base, our growing team, and regulators to continue to move this industry forward." End quote. EBON International Holdings, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol EBON, has completed a 6nm ASIC chip designed for Bitcoin mining machines, which is expected to have a competitive edge in the market in terms of performance. Dong Hu, the chairman and CEO of EBON, said, quote, "The completion of our 6nm ASIC chip is a significant milestone of our constant R&D efforts in recent years. We have devoted a lot of resources in building our R&D team and product innovation and iteration. Looking forward, we plan to continue developing ASIC chips designed for more mainstream cryptocurrency machines, which we believe will increase our revenue in the digital currency business and optimize our product offering structure along the blockchain industry value chain." End quote. Neptune Digital Assets Corp., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol NDA, recently announced that it has achieved its highest income results since its initial listing in January 2018. Specifically, this applies to its preliminary results for the second quarter ended on February 28, 2021, wherein the company achieved a positive net comprehensive income of $6.07 million. During the same period, Neptune also registered a 200% growth in its total assets. Cale Moody, Neptune's CEO, said, quote, "We have now shown the earnings and asset growth potential when investing in viable cryptocurrency ecosystems. We also continue to operate Neptune on a very lean budget in an effort to maximize shareholder value and bring on revenue streams reflecting those same cost efficiencies as we intend to do with our mining operations." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.